What's up everybody, welcome back to another video about Cardano. So guys, in this video I'm talking about the future plan of Cardano. What is the future plan? There's a possibility that in the future the price will pump, the price will increase. So guys, let me show you guys, but before starting this video, please click the subscribe button for more updates and news videos about cryptocurrencies market. So guys, let me show you. Let's open the brush for better understanding of all of you. Now you can see here guys, that is the last 1 month price chart of the Cardano in absolute. You can see here from the 1st August and still you can see still the price today is 19 August, and now you can see here absolutely a massive jump occur by a Cardano idea guys. So guys, if these kind of changes continue in a Cardano, so Cardano are going to hit $100. You know what guys, on the 1st August the price of Cardano is $1.32. Just look here guys. And now if we look the currently live price of the Cardano, that is the 1 August price, and now the latest price today 19 August is $2.13. So absolutely approximately 80-cent profit occurs in a Cardano just in 20 days in August month. So guys, that's really a profitable coin, and especially in the August month they taken a quick jump. Now you can see here 99% the changes is going positive. And if you do a technical analysis of the Cardano, so let me show you. Let me show you guys, that is a support line and there is a resistance line. So guys, now if they break this resistance line here, so possibilities that they again taken a quick jump and huge pump. But guys, if they reflect with this resistance, so possibilities that the price will jump. But I recommend for you, if the price will jump in the future, so you never decide to sell guys, just hold for a long time. Anyways guys, what you think about Cardano future? I think Cardano future is a safe. Share your opinion in the comment box. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel.